The Coinceras channel is pleased to have you back. Dear everyone, it appears that the XRP settlement is quickly approaching, and nobody seems to care if Ethereum is a security or not. Positive momentum is building for XRP, and there have been large purchases. Substantial inflows and a massive whale buying a substantial amount are the only reasons why one currency is doing well today while many others are in the red. We will examine EFE Gear and XRP in detail shortly. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons after watching this video. Then let's go right in. Everyone, please return to the channel. Okay, let's dive into XRP. Not to mention, considering the weekend, there have been some major changes over the past several days. As the deadline approaches on March 6th, everyone is waiting for the settlement to be finalized. Will we finally get the answer we need regarding the settlement's value? In the meantime, the broader cryptocurrency market is down 1.6% today, trading at approximately 2.33 trillion, with volume up. However, it will always be on a Monday instead of a weekend. While XRP remains strong at over 5,136 and is outperforming most cryptocurrencies, other coins such as Solana 2.4% and Cardano 4% decrease are in a steep downturn. At 0.19 negative, XRP is holding its own, barely showing any movement. That doesn't discount the fact that our volume has increased by 125%. So, when we bring up XRP, what exactly is happening? Ethereum is the center of a great deal of disagreement, as I indicated before. After hearing Gary Gensler's take on the matter, it's clear that Ethereum was considered a security more than a year ago. The question is, what does this mean for us? The XR community has been debating the controversy surrounding Ethereum's purported negative impact on the old coin, and the fact that Gensler chose to ignore this and focus on Ripple instead is fascinating. Take Monday's trading at 50 cents as an example. Ripple would thereafter lose all profits from the preceding 7 days. An important development for XRP holders is the resurgence of the Eat-Get controversy, in which a conspiracy theory claiming that US regulators gave Ethereum a pass has been revived. The Securities and Exchange Commission is expected to file an opposition brief to Ripple's motion to strike expert testimony in response to this. Although the materials are not yet public, we do know that David Schwartz has provided his thoughts on the matter. However, the claim here is that, even if it were true, it would contradict the notion that theory was a security. For whatever reason, Ethereum was not classified with XRP. There may be far-reaching consequences of this. It will be fascinating to observe whether this materializes, since it would lend credence to the belief that the SEC is targeting individual coins and companies rather than adopting a more comprehensive regulatory stance, as demonstrated with cases like Deadbox and LBRE. Amidst the increasing interest in altcoins, we do anticipate substantial incoming investments of $4.5 million for XRP and Solana. Regarding Bitcoin in particular, we are aware that the price has fallen slightly, and investors are seeking to expand their holdings. However, they appear to be shifting their focus away from Bitcoin and toward XRP and other altcoins, with 435 million leaving the incumbent ETFs. The decline in Bitcoin's price is a result of this. Additionally, and now things start to heat up. Significant purchases of large wallets have been observed, with Nance transferring over 20.9 million XRP to an undisclosed wallet. As we sense a buildup of whales, there has been a proliferation of these transfers within the past week. Now, I mentioned this on my live broadcast, but in the end, anything with an unsold asset age of more than 155 days is considered a whale because it shows no signs of selling. There are indications of strength, and this is significant for the market as a whole. In fact, we may witness a substantial increase in price occurring in the near future. So there's a lot of stuff going on with XRP, all of which we're waiting for the settlement from the SEC, which now may be delayed, given the 8th gate controversy. Now whether we'll see this, is this another Hindman file situation? Quite possibly, but it certainly is very interesting, and once again, showcases that if this is true, there would be another call for Gary Gensler to go. A lot of people forget the fact they tweeted out that the Bitcoin ETFs were approved and people lost millions of dollars through some complete and utter debauchery coming out of that. This would be another one of those blogs, and probably one that I don't believe Gary Gans come back from top amateur, and many of the other people in the house would absolutely call for his resignation. Looking at some of his prices, what do we have here? Once again, we were able to bounce off of that crucial support level at 4,982. With a possible upward push at 5,162. We aim to surpass 5,284. In the past day, it has been clear as day. We have seen a 1.2% increase. A lovely little green candle, but Bitcoin's price is finally beginning to move. Going into the week, this might be a positive indicator. It's important to note that in just a few hours, the Hong Kong ETF will also be launched, which might lead to a substantial rally. After that, it's game on, or we might. Lots of people think we get Ethereum first, but proof of stake seems to have staked that idea. Thus we'll see XRP become an ETF before Ethereum. Please share your thoughts with me. Is Gary Gensler once again being dishonest about whether or not XRP should have had to go through the past few years? If get is a thing, do you think we should all get along? The video ends there. My channel would be greatly appreciated if you could subscribe and like it. Goodbye for now.